This is presented by HPS Trade, Japanese freight forwarder in Thailand. Hello, it's Ino. This time, I would like to talk about the role of the BL in international transportation. I have made a video on the same subject before, but I would like to explain it more clearly using a different expression. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly is BL? The official name of BL is Bill of Lading, and it is an indispensable document for international trade. BL is called securities, and is considered to have value in themselves. This is because it is used as a document to pick up a container containing cargo, worth, for example, $100,000 at the port of import. Let's take a closer look at it. Simply put, the importer cannot pick up the shipment without BL. In addition, BL allows to control payment and delivery. What this means is that, if the exporter, seller, does not receive payment for the goods from the buyer, they can seize BL and forcibly stop the import process at the importing port. The importer can also reduce the risk of unshipped goods by paying after the cargo is loaded onto the ship and BL is issued. This is where it gets important. In order to understand the role of BL, you must understand when and by whom it is issued, and what flow it is used for. Before explaining BL flow, let me briefly explain the characters and documents. In addition to the exporter, seller, and importer, buyer, the forwarders at export and import side also play an important role. The document called DO is also important. DO stands for Delivery Order, which is the document that allows you to pick up your cargo at the port. You are able to obtain DO by exchanging BL. The importer must obtain BL in order to get DO, which is the cargo delivery document. By understanding this process, it becomes easier to understand that BL is securities. As shown in the first example, a shipment worth $100,000 is sent to another country, and BL is exchanged to DO, cargo delivery document, in order to pick up the shipment. In this example, you can see that BL is the same value as $100,000. Then, let me explain the flow. As a prerequisite, we assume that the forwarder issues the house BL. When the vessel leaves the port, BL is issued by the exporting forwarder and sent to the seller, exporter. The seller, exporter, confirms the receipt of payment for the goods from the buyer, importer, and sends BL to the buyer, importer. When the vessel arrives at the port of import, DO is issued by the forwarder on the import side. The buyer, importer, takes BL and exchanges it for DO, which is a cargo exchange document. Let's take a closer look at the flow on the import side. The forwarder on the import side has DO. The buyer, importer, obtains BL from the seller, exporter. DO and BL are exchanged. Then, when the buyer, importer, brings DO to the port, they can pick up the cargo. BL is the important document to pick up the cargo. If you lost BL and it will be given to a third party, it can be a big problem. Reissuing BL is not an easy task. For this reason, 3 copies of the original BL are issued to prevent the risk of loss. Recently, eBL using blockchain technology has emerged, but it seems not to have been penetrated the market yet. Let's summarize the important points of BL. BL is issued at the time of the vessel's departure. The seller sends BL to the buyer. BL is exchanged DO, which is a cargo delivery document. If BL is lost, it is not able to pick up the cargo. In this video, I explain the basic role of BL. BL is the important document for picking up cargo. But in reality, there are different types of BL, and some are more flexible than others to suit speedy trade transactions. However, the basic concept is the one explained here, so let's first understand this role and flow of BL. That's all for today. Thank you very much.
In this channel, I explain about international logistics knowledge for your better understanding. I hope this video will be a good support for your logistics job. If you have any shipment from Thailand or to Thailand, please feel free to contact me, Ino-san, anytime. Also, I'm very motivated to keep updating these videos. If you subscribe, press good or comment anything. Well, thank you. See you next time.